English? Ah, you're good in English. So yeah, we have spent 3 days here in the water. 3 days. Yeah, because you know the engine has stopped and we don't have fuel anymore. Yeah. So thank you so much for that. You saved our life, man. You know, we can't thank you enough, you know. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. No. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much. Hey, my friend, I can take pictures of you? I can? Thank you.
Aqua, aqua.
No, water.
Aqua.
Water.
شوفوا اخوتي شوفوا رئيسنا شوفوا اخوتي اليمانيتي شوفوا ربي معانا هاك الحمد لله ربي معانا. Thank you so much. كاميرا الجيريا
حسن شكرا يا عمر راح بتنزل. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much. Thank you. No, yes. We have someone on board here who is very sick. He became yellow. I don't know what happened, so we have to take him to the hospital right now. Thank you so much, sir. We can't thank you enough for that. Thank you. ما تقدرش تقولها له هذه ما يقدرش يفهم.